Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kayla Galt, and I'm from Blacksburg, South Carolina. I currently am an instructional coach at Blacksburg Middle School. This is my first year as an instructional coach, and it has been a learning experience to be on the other end of, per se, not in the classroom, but working more with teachers and administration. Before this year, I was a sixth grade math and avid elective teacher for 11 years. So I am enjoying this new position, but I do miss being interactive with the kids as much as I was before. Um, in my spare time, I enjoy reading and shopping and being with my family. I have three little boys, Braxton, Brady, and Brayson. They are 9, 5, and almost 2-year old, so that keeps me very busy. I also enjoy going to church and being with my church family. I am in the second semester of this program for my master's in literacy. This will be my plus 30, and I'll have the literacy endorsement when I finish this program. I look forward to interacting with everyone and just learning more about education in general. Thank you.